Hey guys, welcome to another episode of SEYMORE Outdoors. We're here in Key Largo, same boat, the Gulf Stream, looking to do some fishing today. For all my new fishermen out there, I'm going to show you guys how to tie some knots, how to tie leader, when to use specific types of leader, and ideally, what are the easier knots you can tie. Simple knots, simple leaders, simple fishing, guys. Don't make things harder than what they need to be. So come on, let's go ahead and let's go get to it. So as I was saying, out there in the front of the boat, we're gonna tie a simple knot here for a leader. Right now, what I'm using is a 12-pound fluorocarbon leader. I think this is just regular Andes, and I'm using Andes 12-pound test monofilament as my main line here. All you need for fishing like this for the yellowtail, good small mid-sized reel. Right here, for example, I have a Bait Runner 6000 size reel. That transfers over to Penn, Okuma, whatever you may choose in the 6,000 or 6,500 range. Now, for a rod, I use anywhere from a 7-foot to a 7'6", medium to medium light action rod. That's what you guys need to stick to when it comes to yellowtail fishing. You don't need anything heavier, you need anything lighter. So here, now we got our two lines, my monofilament, my fluorocarbon leader. Put them right on top of each other, just like that, guys. It doesn't matter how much tag you have on each side, whatever you're comfortable with. What I do, this is called the surgeon knot. So what you do is you take the knots, make a loop, just like that right there, guys, with both of the lines. You have all the lines right there in your hand. So all you gotta do now is bring your other end, not the main line end, this is the end with the main line, the end with nothing on there, and this little tag, and what you're gonna do, bring it through this loop 3 times. So that's 1. Pull that all the way through and go 2 more times. There's 2. You gotta kind of play with it sometimes, guys. And then there's 3. So now once you got it in there 3 times, all you're doing is pulling both the tags and the loops, cinching them down, just like there, guys, right there. See how it looks? Give it a little moisture, and you're good. That's all there is to it. Also, guys, remember, after you tie your knot, you gotta cut your tag ends off. Get as close to the knot as possible. For simple reasons, guys, I'm not gonna use a jig head. I'm gonna show you what a jig head looks like for yellowtail. I'm using a regular egg weight, 1/8 of an ounce. All I'm doing, nothing crazy. Just putting the line, sliding through, let it fall down. I don't know about you guys, but I like to use circle hooks. It's a lot easier. The hookup ratio is a lot higher, I feel like, if you know what you're doing, and it's a lot easier to take the hook out of the fish. Now, for my circle hook setup, what I like to do is tie a snell knot. So I'm gonna take my leader, the tag end right here, this is the end of my line, this is the tag end. Bring it through this loop right here, guys. Pull about that much line through the loop. Now, it's important when you go through the eye of your hook, you're always going through the top side of your circle hook. That's the top. Not the top, that's the bottom. Now, important here, you loop it like that. Then, you bring your line, you're gonna go around the shaft of the hook. The skinnier the line, the more times you're gonna wrap it. So, I'm using 12-pound test fluorocarbon leader, so I'm gonna go around it 7 times, 7 to 8 times. So after I wrap it that many times, guys, what I'm gonna do, see, pull this tag in through this loop. Now it doesn't matter if you go through the top or the bottom. Now I'm gonna secure my overlays on the shaft of the hook by tightening this line and pulling it up to the eye of the hook, just like so. Now you want them to kind of be right on top of each other. You don't want them to bunch up and be all ocky looking. And that's all there is to it, guys, with the circle hook. big one. I'm not in one, I don't think, man.
Oh my God. Woo!
Nancy.
Oh my God. Woo! I don't know what that is.
Yeah.
Oh. Whoa! Whoa! Huh?
You wanna film?
Yeah.